Planes are commonly colored white for several reasons. Heat reflection. White color reflects sunlight and helps to minimize heat absorption. This is particularly important for airplanes because excessive heat can affect the structural integrity of the aircraft and increase fuel consumption. By using white paint, the heat is reflected away, helping to keep the plane cooler. Visibility. White is a highly visible color, especially against the backdrop of the sky. It makes it easier for other pilots, air traffic controllers, and ground personnel to spot the aircraft. In addition, white is also more visible during nighttime when illuminated by runway lights or searchlights. Heat expansion. Aircraft materials, such as aluminum, expand and contract with temperature changes. Darker colors tend to absorb more heat, causing greater expansion, which can lead to stress on the structure. By using white paint, the expansion is reduced, minimizing the potential for structural damage. Maintenance and repairs. White paint simplifies maintenance and repair work. It is easier to spot and fix any scratches, dents, or corrosion on a white surface compared to darker colors. White also allows for easier inspection of the aircraft's surface for damage or signs of wear. Branding and aesthetics. White has been traditionally associated with aviation and has become an industry standard over time. It gives planes a clean and sleek appearance, while also providing a neutral canvas for airlines to display their logos, branding, and livery designs. It's worth noting that not all planes are exclusively white. Some airlines opt for different colors or liveries to differentiate their brand or create a unique visual identity. However, white remains a prevalent choice for its practical benefits in the aviation industry.